Welcome to 5 Minute Friday, everybody, where we share our best tips and tricks to help you get just a little bit better every week. Eddie, what you got, man?
Be a bright spot, man.
Be a bright spot.
Be a bright spot in this industry. One of the, the tenets of what we do here is to be an encouragement.
Yeah.
And kind of in keeping with the theme of last week, we're trying to implore you, we're trying to appeal to you to be better, be a better person, be a better human. And be a bright spot, to me, looks like this. You have a pocket of people around you.
Yeah.
And that pocket of people, that's the sphere of influence you've been given today.
Yeah.
You can choose what to do with that. Okay, so you can treat those people fairly. You can treat those people well. You can speak to them in kindness. You can exercise grace. Like, there are all of these ways that you could treat them well and be a good human being.
Mm-hmm.
Or you could step on them. Or you could, rip on them, make fun of them.
Yeah.
Or you could, treat them unkindly. There's so many ways that you could take advantage of them or try to get a leg up on them or try to manipulate them.
Yeah.
That is kind of a summation of what drags our industry to a place we don't want to be.
Yeah.
And so be an encouragement looks like, as we look around at the construction industry, we can see pretty plainly that it's combative, that it's tough, that people don't get along, that relationships that are long-standing are an exception, not the rule, that people get a leg up on somebody and they don't mind it at all because they won, that our competitive nature gets the better of us sometimes, and rather than just becoming an outlet to drive some achievement, it becomes an outlet to make sure that I'm seen as better than the person next to me.
Yeah.
Be a bright spot looks like you taking your little sphere of influence in the industry and doing everything you can to do unto others. Do everything you can to be as good as you can be to the people around you. That's the people that you're employed with, or maybe are employed by you, or that you're employed for. Maybe that is the people that you are working around. A subcontractor, a general contractor, as a designer, you have an impact.
Yeah.
Like, you are going to leave a mark on the people around you today. So this is a call to be a bright spot. Leave a bright spot where you have been today, and then do it again tomorrow.
Yeah.
And let's try to encourage this industry and make it a better place.
That's awesome, man. I don't know if I'm really going to tag on to that. I think we can just leave it right there. So just some words of encouragement today.
Yep.
That's why we're here. That's what we want to do, is we want to encourage you to go out and be those bright spots in this industry, because it's needed.
Yep.
It's needed. We all know that. It's needed.
And it takes effort.
It will take effort.
So here's your reminder.
There you go. All right, guys. Go build something awesome.